Hey there guys, today I got Master 140 here for you. It says China right here above the drain hole. Down below the drain hole it says number 40, or number 140, I'm sorry. This lock does have security pins in it. Should be able to pick it open. I believe it's just a 4-pin keyway, but I don't think it's got 5 chambers in it. I think it just has 4. Could be wrong though, you never know. Oop. See if I can get it into a false set here for you. There's a little bit of one right there. Back out of it again. And overset something on that pass. Try it again here. There's our first false set. Off the first pin. Back of the keyway. On the last pin here. Something. Okay, there we go. I think I got the 3rd pin set. Felt like I got the 2nd set. And the first popped right open. Alright, there it is. Master 140. Yeah, picked open. Get you a look at the key bitting here. So, that's open and done and out of the way with. And here's a look at the key bitting. Try to angle that a little bit differently. So there's a look at the key bitting. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's anything on the key except master, on the bow of the key, except master on one side, and it says master lock going around the bow on the other side. And my key decoder is out of my reach right now, but yeah, there it is. Master 140 picked open, and another one down. So as always, I hope you guys have a good one, and thanks for watching.